Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing yet another topic that is called message queues. Again, message queue in order to make any system scalable, fault tolerance, again there should not be any risk and the functioning of the system should work smoothly. This message queues plays a very important role and it makes the system asynchronous so that there is no wait for a particular event to finish and then the next information will be served. So for this, basically a message queues is a communication, is a form of communication of data transfer, and it is used in all the different types of system design just to make it scalable, so that again if you want to pass message, if you want to get some task done asynchronously without putting the system on risk, so we use the facility of message queue. And again, you can think a message queue as a to-do list, just like if you are waiting for your pizza. So what happens, you're not waiting in the queue, you just place your order, you are provided a token number, so your order is just placed in the message queue. So it is not that once your order is completed then only the next customer can be served. You can place the order, you will get the token, your order will be put into a message queue. Your order will not be served at that particular moment instantly, it will be placed in the queue. The placing of your message or your order in the queue is done by producers because they are producing this order. Then as soon as any so there will be lot of subscribers, workers who will be working on your order. So as soon as they are finished completing the order for any other customer, they will pick the order and they will start cooking your order, or they will start working on your order. So until unless there is any subscriber who is free, it will be in your message queue. Behind the scene, this message queue use Redis because again it's an in memory. So everything is in memory. It is just that it is placed in a message queue and the message queue keeps this information until there is a subscriber free. So basically every message, every task that we placed in the message queue, it has an header. So header provides a unique token information so that your order is not given to any other customer. So just to make sure that your order is unique, we have two things in this. Whatever order you put using your producer, it has an header and a body, just like whatever transfer you do in network system. Header is very important because header provides you details about the uniqueness of the message, so that once we are serving it, we know that this particular header is related to this token. If we talk about the key components of a message queue system, because right now it's very important. In YouTube also you see there is a concept of message queue. You upload a video, now the video is put in a queue, all those encryption, removing noise, adding title, so these are done asynchronously. So you're not waiting until your video upload process is completed. You are working on different parts of your video optimization, and by the moment you complete all the different tasks, you will find that your video is also uploaded. So this is all asynchronous, and based upon the availability of the resource, things are picked up, they are done, and then they are again put back. So if it involves multiple step also, so we have multiple queue also. So simple thing, queue will be in memory, and you know that the best in memory storage is your Redis. So you can use this Redis. Behind the scene, Redis is being used. There is a producer, there is a subscriber. Now this producer subscriber is different from Kafka or some other system. It is simple in memory. So in memory storage has a limitation. It is volatile. So it is basically just to make sure that whatever current orders are there, they are being taken care. Now we have a producer. Producer produces a message. Message consists of two parts. One is your data, another is your header. So that whenever any order is placed, the uniqueness can be defined. We are very much sure that okay, this data belongs to this customer. Put into the queue. There will be a lot of subscribers, there will be a lot of workers who will be waiting for, or who will be busy, whatever the scene is. But your customer is not waiting. He has taken his token. He will just wait for the order to be processed. So at one time, number of customers are taken care. They are not waiting. Their order is already placed, and step by step, as soon as a subscriber is available, he will put the information, he will take out the information from your queue, process it, and then your order is ready. So producer, then the main component is queue. So for queue we are using behind the scene Redis. Again, it's a storage again, just like any other database. It is a database, data store, where all the informations are stored. And again, it has all the different types of data types: string, integer, list, queue. So that the data, because again, data will not be a simple data. It will be starting from simple data to very, very complex data. So it's very important that the data the Redis is capable of managing all the different types of data. So we have the message producer. If we talk about the current scenario, whenever you are going to place an order for any pizza, the person sitting on the desk who is taking your order, he is the message producer. Then the people who are actually involved in creating your pizza, they are the message receiver, or they are the subscribers, or they are the workers. And the token that is generated, that is the queue. That is again, this producer put that token. It will be a token plus body. So body will consist of the orders that are related to your details, whatever detail you have provided. So that order will be processed. So this is basically a step by step introduction of message queue, integral part of any system design, integral part of any application design. Now in different languages, we have different framework we use. Like if you talk about Node.js, if you talk about ASP.NET, PHP, these solutions, like we have different packages. If I talk about Node.js, we have BullMQ. In terms of features, in terms of functionality, everything is same, because it is based upon the message queue system. The way it is being used, again, in Node, it's very simple. We just need to install it. We have its specification. We will create a producer. First of all, we will create a queue, because both producer and consumers, they are dependent upon this queue. Queue will be asynchronous. Solution is asynchronous. So again, for any package, they also provide the example code. You just need to copy and paste. So they have a full guide through which you can go through and then implement this. So just like Kafka, for any big organization, it is an integral part. Kafka is not the replacement of database, but again, it plays a very crucial role. Similar to that, this message queue, or queue, again in AWS also we have a queue system. So in all the different cloud storages, this queue is very important. And whenever we are going to create nowadays any application, performance, scalability, optimization, security, all those things needs to be taken care before the solution is being rolled out to the end user or customer. So friends, this is all about your message queue or queue system. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.